Hello po, good day po. I'm Jason Gomez. I'm from BSIE 3D. For this video, I film one of the activity of technopreneurships, which is comparing entrepreneurships and technopreneurship. From the question number one, what is technopreneurships and how does it differ from traditional entrepreneurship? Typically, entrepreneurs concentrate on conventional business concepts and tactics, but technopreneurs use technology as a tool for innovations and market disruptions. Number two, who is a technopreneur and how she is different from an entrepreneur? Technopreneurs are creative problem solvers with a keen sense of observations and use technology to produce fresh, inventive goods or services. An entrepreneur is someone who takes on the risk of launching a new firm. Number three, how does technology influence the creations and development of new business ventures? Starting a business is now much easier thanks to technology. It resembles a miraculous shortcut to all the data, resources, and clients you require, and it's far less expensive than before prior to. This technology enables business owners to create whole new products or better than the current ones. Number four, analyze a successful technopreneurial ventures. What were the key factors that contributed to its success? Amazon is a successful technological entrepreneurship business. Jeff Bezos' visionary leadership, a focus on customer experience and satisfactions. Continual innovations in technology and logistics, strategic acquisitions, and a strong business culture that prioritizes long-term growth above short-term profits are all key contributors to its success. Number five, identify a technopreneurial failure and discuss the reasons behind its failure. What lessons can be learned from this case? One example of a technopreneurial failure is Theranos, a health technology business that claimed to revolutionize blood testing but ultimately failed owing to fraudulent activities and mismanagement. Number six, discuss the role of research and development in technopreneurship. How can technopreneurs ensure continuous innovations? One important product of R&D is innovation. Through investigations and testing, R&D teams are able to find innovative ideas and technologies and turn them into marketable products and services. R&D also contributes to the advancement of current technology, making them more user accessible, economical, and efficient. Number seven, what marketing strategies are most effective for technopreneurial ventures? Effective marketing strategies for technopreneurial ventures include using digital platform for targeted advertising and customer engagement, social media for brand building and customer feedback, creating compelling content to highlight the product or services' unique value for propositions, forming strategic partnerships with influencers or industry leaders, and using analytics to track and optimize marketing performance. Number eight, what ethical considerations should technopreneurs keep in mind when developing new technologies? Technopreneurs are accountable for thinking through the moral ramifications of technology inventions. The following are important points to remember: data security and privacy. A lot of users data is frequently gathered and used by new technologies. Number 9, what are the emerging trends in technopreneurship? First one is the democratizations of technology. The rise of no-code, low-code platforms allows entrepreneurs with less technical background to build and launch their own tech product. Number 10, how can technopreneurs prepare for future technological disruptions? Here are some ways technopreneurs can prepare for future technological disruptions. Embrace continuous learning. The technological landscape is constantly evolving. Technopreneurs should cultivate a culture of lifelong learning with their teams, staying updated on emerging trends and technologies through workshops, conference, and online courses. Develop a culture of adaptability. Building a flexible and adaptable business structures allow technopreneurs to pivot and adjust their strategy in response to disruptions. Number 11, which is the last number, discuss the impact of artificial intelligence and machines learning on technopreneurships. How can technopreneurs harness these technologies for innovations? Technopreneurship thrives on continuous innovations driven by a robust R&D functions. R&D activities like market research help identify gaps and opportunities while developing translates idea into solutions. This keeps technopreneurs ahead of the curve and build brand credibility. To ensure these constant innovations, technopreneurs should foster a culture of learning, embrace open innovations with external partners, prioritize customer feedback to improve offerings, and create a space for experimentations, investing in future-proof technologies for the fuels these innovations engines propelling technopreneurial ventures toward long-term success. Yun po yung questions to 1 to 11. Thank you po.